welcome to CrochetSmash. Today's small project is how to make a small crochet ghost. It's going to be Halloween, right? So let us start making a small ghost. This is a very beginner project. I am going to use the medium weight white acrylic yarn. The one I am using is loops and threads and soft classic acrylic, and I'm going to use a 5mm crochet hook, and I'm going to use 2 safety eyes, and I have a small stitch marker. It's actually an earring, so I'm going to make a magic circle. Take the yarn and make chain 1, which is not considered as a stitch, and then we are going to make a 5 single crochets in the magic circle. So after making the first single crochet, I am going to use my stitch marker to mark it. 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I am going to tighten my magic circle. It's really tight. Now I am not going to join this one. I am going to go to the top of the first one. We used the marker to mark it. Take out the marker and make 2 single crochet into that first stitch. When you finish making your first single crochet in here, I'm going to put the magic stitch marker in here, then 1, and going to make 1 more in the same space or stitch. So 2, then in the next one 3 and 4, then the next one 5 and 6, then the next one 7 and 8, and the next one going to make 9 and 10. 2 single crochet in each of the stitches, and remove the stitch marker. I'm not going to increase anymore. I'm just doing 10 single crochet in each of the next 4 rounds. When we are working in rounds in spiral method, not joining at the end of each round with a slip stitch, it is better to use a stitch marker. So our 3rd round is run, our 4th round begin. Then the 4th round, this is round number 5. So put the stitch marker in the first stitch, Now we are finished our round 6. Now I am going to make a single crochet in the stitch. After removing the stitch marker, I am going to make a one single crochet. Then I am going to put the stitch marker again. In the next one I am going to make a 2 single crochet. Next one is a 1 single crochet. And then in the last one it was 1. So I'm going to take out the stitch marker. In the next one I'm going to make a slip stitch, and I'm going to put my stitch marker on that slip stitch. Then chain 1, then slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, and slip stitch to the top of that initial slip stitch we made. Now we are done with that one. I am going to cut my yarn. Now I am going to lock that in place. You can cut the yarn. Now take the safety eye, and put it in just like that. Just hold it like this. Now press it. You make sure your eyes are in perfect position before you turn it inside out, and just press the backing. You can hang your ghost with the initial yarn tail by looping around. Tying it there. Okay. You have a ghost. You can hang it. Make multiple of them, hang it out, or make a garland. Whatever you want to do. It's quite nice. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You done it within 10 minutes. Okay, and if you enjoy this project, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment in the comment box to let me know how you like this pattern. With another pattern we will meet again. Till then, bye bye.